Alright, Aim. So this is what you need. You need your block of cream cheese, your packet of biscuit mix with the little flavor pouch, your roll of sausage, and your sharp cheddar cheese. And we are going to mix everything together. Stay tuned. I like to do this first. It's almost my birthday. Flip this bag.
That's where you get these really big muscles in your arms from. And one really big muscle in your abdomen.
Alright, now we're going to add the cheese. I don't ever really measure.
Yeah, about yay.
I usually start with some.
1.5 frumps.
Now, we're going to add the rest of the biscuit mix. Yep. Yep, made a mess of that. It's a very dry mixture. Preheat your oven to 375.
We put in the seasoning mix.
The seasoning mix you can either put in now or you can put in at the end with melted butter where you brush it over the top. I prefer to mix it into the biscuits itself. So we're going to add our seasoning packet and then we're going to add a little more cheese. Alrighty. And then we're just about done mixing. And then you're going to want to get an ice cream scooper so all your balls come out the same size.
One can be bigger than the other.
Them on a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper.
You helping, bro? Yeah, he is.
See, this, like how dry the dough is. It's a firm dough, for sure. It seems kind of big. Oh.
Hello, Amber, up here in the woods.
Nice.
You guys always answer for me, so alright. What do you have planned?
Alright, now you're going to put it in your 375 preheated oven. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
Putting that butt in the oven will make you pregnant. What do you think, bro?
And now we're buttering the biscuits. Buttering the balls.
Yeah. What's up, butterballs?
Oh, look at that crispiness. Delicious.